it's me again. Well, I found a flaw in that little video I made, so I might as well point it out. In the last video I said that if you times infinity by r%, the chance that you would rebel against God, get kicked out of heaven, etc., it would equal 100% guarantee that you would get kicked out and go to hell, right? Well, it turns out that technically I'm wrong, but barely. Okay, let's go back to the equation. Let's say we have infinity and we have r%. We know this, right? Well, in mathematics, this will equal something known as almost surely. Not almost sure, almost surely. That doesn't make any sense. Let me explain this. Let's say you have a fair coin with a head and a tail. Now let's say you flip this coin, and half the time it'll be heads and half the times it'll be tails. So you flip the coin, it lands on heads. That's a 50% chance. It's not that rare. Now let's say you flip the coin 64 times and it lands on heads every single time. That's a chance of 1 in over 18 quintillion. Now that's really high odds, but it is possible. Now let's say you flip the coin 1,000,000,000 times and every time it lands on heads. That's a chance of 2 to the power of 1,000,000,000. That's really big. How big is it? Well, 2 to the 64 was the one that was over 18 quintillion. 2 to the power of 256 is right there in red. That's pretty fucking big. And 2 to the power of 43 million and some is the biggest prime number we know of and has over 12 million digits. That's fucking big. But 2 to the power of 1,000,000,000, we don't even know what that is. But still, it is possible you could get heads on every single toss. Now let's say you flip this coin infinite times. Now what I thought was because you flip it infinite times, you're guaranteed to get tails at least once. What turns out though is because there's a chance that you might get heads instead, even though it's entirely unlikely, it is possible that you'll never get tails. But this percent is so close, mathematicians consider it as 0. That's how close to 0 it is. Like, you have more chance of waking up, winning the lottery, getting abducted by space aliens, tossing a penny out the window, killing Obama, and traveling back in time than never getting tails. So instead, the formula will read as infinite time times r% equals 99.9999% repeating, which is basically 100%, but technically it isn't. That 0.001%, you know what I mean, is the only chance that you're not gonna go to hell, I guess. Anyways, keep looking for errors in this, cause I'm bored. I don't know. I'm going to sleep. See ya. Thanks for watching.